Hello guys, Craig Newton here. Uh, Today I'm going to show you 5 new Knex elements from my 7 Knex ball machine. So I'm going to show you 5 of them. So the first one is this one right here. It's just going side to side like this until it gets in the middle and then it falls off. So just put the ball there. Here we go. Okay, that's our first element. Now the second one. Yeah, that thing pushes on the track there, as you can see there. The third one. I guess that one's quite nifty element, so it's just something interesting or something. Now the fourth. Yeah, that element is really cool. Now the fifth, the final one. So yeah, that's 5 new Knex elements for my 7 Knex ball machine. It took me like really ages because, well, I was being taken down and then all the Knex parts were all over the floor, so I was after counting them, so that's how it probably about a while. It was a while, but so you guys been asking that you want me to do like edit videos, like whatever you say, but I don't know how to edit videos, you know, like I don't know, it's just the one video, but it might be another, but I don't know how you do that. Well, I know it's apps, but you've been asking me, so I could try it, but I don't really know. But if you guys want, you know, a comment for that, that would be great. I just need to know how to do it. You know, like a video, like edit videos. I know iPads do. I didn't do it before, so I'm really sorry about that, guys. I just asked and wondered, so that's all I'm gonna say. So just leave a like on this video and comments or whatever. So I don't know what next video is going to be. It will be Knex ball machine, but not until next year, so I don't know when I will start. I don't know when I'm started, but it's definitely another ball machine coming, so next year though, so that's just something exciting. So I try to let you go now, guys. I'm Craig Newton, built these Knex creations. I'll see you in the next video, so goodbye.